So what I'm doing right now is cleaning the tree in preparation for wiring. And for the most part, I'm just removing foliage on the bottom of the branch. Quite often what I'll do is take my finger, lift the branch up and see what dangles down, and I'll remove that. So it's case by case depending on the strength of the branch. The weaker branches I'll leave more foliage, the stronger branches I'll remove more foliage. So in this case, if I wire it this way, there's just a little bit of foliage I can take off here. That gives me a nice soft structure to work with when I put the wire on next. Right, this branch doesn't need much removed really at all, so I'm going to leave that one alone. It's a slightly weak branch. Whereas if we come down here, this is much stronger. Right, there's a lot of foliage on the bottom. So it looks like I'm pinching, but I'm not. I'm actually removing the foliage all the way back to the base. Ideally, we don't want to pinch juniper, so in this case, I'm actually tearing it back to the hardwood itself, right? And then we've got a nice structure here. Once I actually wire this and put it into place, then I'll go back through and trim back the heavy shoots. But for now, I'm going to leave them because I don't know exactly where this branch is going to end up, and we may want it to elongate. So for the time being, that's about all I want to do.